Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Asif. Remember the project we introduced a few days ago? That's right, CoinFlow. Today I have a big news for you. CoinFlow lending platform officially launched globally on August 10th. This is a brand new Web3 lending platform featuring stable returns, multilingual community support, and automated smart contract settlement. For users seeking stable passive income and referral rewards, this is an early opportunity not to be missed. And next we discuss what is CoinFlow. CoinFlow is a next generation Web3 lending platform. We have completed KYC and contract security audits and operate entirely on chain. The platform will break the traditional traffic structure and truly return traffic and reward to user. And next we discuss platform highlights. Multi-language support, a global community support. You can choose the language. You can see this English, Spanish, Russian, Chinese, Hindi, Arab. All earnings and rebates are settled in second, can be withdrawn with one click. Smart contracts operate fully automatically, ensuring transparency and no black box issue. Simple and direct promotion mechanisms. Invite your friends, then you can earn ongoing commission. And next we discuss core gameplay of the smart mechanisms. All asset deposit and withdrawals are improved by the contract. Earnings are automatically accumulated, eliminating manual operations. You can even use Ethereum or USDT as collateral, earning returns in second, allowing for flexible withdrawals. Risk hedging helps user profit even during market declines. You can check here. So guys, you can go to the official website through registration link. So I add register link in video description. So you can open this link, then you can must to connect your wallet, then you can explore to the project now. And next we can see the user interface instruction, improve authorized contract operations, debit and redeem, claim or withdraw rewards, invite, generate your unique invitation link, language, multi-language spot, contact, obtain official community address, etc. And next you can see the schools who are qualified are recommended to conduct a hands-on demonstration. A hands-on demonstration can also be conducted after observing the contract address fund in the third phase. Detailed explanation of how to view the contract address and reminders to monitor fund changes in real times are required. Demonstrations of how to find an MSB and the fund license process is required. Detailed explanation of the risk hedging mechanism is required. For example, you can hold 100 Ethereum. If the market falls, you can still hedging your losses through CoinFlow's daily income allow you to earn around zero point 0.5 Ethereum in passive income daily with monthly returns reaching up to $50,000. And next you can check here a valid referral link must be activated after deposit including withdrawals, otherwise you are not able to view. Team members. Hundreds of bloggers worldwide are promoting CoinFlow, demonstrating its strength. The global community is being built and various agencies have already begun operation. Refer rebate system, guys, you can invite your friend now, then you can receive 10% earnings. So guys, you can invite your friends now, then you can get 10% earning. So this is my invitation link. I copy link and add in video description. This is my invitation link QR code. So guys, you can invite your friend, then you can receive earning now. Fully on chain settlement, no application required, instant deposit. The sooner you invest, the sooner you will accumulate passive income. We recommended connecting your wallet now to familiarize yourself with the platform process and get ready for launch. And next you can go to the offshore community, get the latest update. You can join the global community, Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project Telegram. Guys, you can check here CoinFlow Telegram announcement channel. You can subscribe now and get information about this project. And next we go to the official website. And next we go to the CoinFlow official Twitter page. Guys, you can see this CoinFlow official Twitter page is here. You can follow this. You can scroll down and check here the all posts about this project CoinFlow. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. You can check here. And next we go to the official website. Multi-language communities are now open included. You can check here CoinFlow official Telegram communities in North America, official Chinese community, official community of America. So you can go to the all countries Telegram community now and join now. Guys, this project CoinFlow, the pool has exceeded 70,000 USDT. Everyone remember now. In the CoinFlow, the first ERC20 network has passed the contract edit and is online, and the TRC20 is waiting to be opened. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.